Hello guys, this is just a quick go through. I just got the DaVinci Resolve Studio Pack. It's like a bundle. It was the last one they had, and yeah, it comes with the speed editor, software itself. It comes in a normal packing box. Of course, it was a secondary box on top of it to keep it safe in transport. And this is our voiceover, same as last time because the software didn't record my voice properly. And yeah, that's the search dial. Or the, I don't know if it's called scrubber or something. It's yeah, it's solid aluminum. It's really heavy. The Yeah, and the packing material is standard packing material. There's nothing special with it. And that's the software itself. It's got a little plastic card in it with a little bit of code on it. That's it. And some stickers as well. That's nice. Always nice with stickers. I'm not going to use them, but they're nice. And a really solid C to C cable. I've seen in different videos that they haven't sent the cable in the box, so I was really happy to see that I actually got the C to C cable. I had prior preparation and planned, and got myself a C to C just in case laying around. So there's nothing else in the box, and let's just put it down on the ground, or check what it says on the back. Maybe might be a good idea. Oh, and there's a little info. And I could be here sitting telling you everything you want to know about it. It's both Bluetooth and USB control. Use whichever. USB-C is used with charging or connecting to a PC. It's up to you. And yeah, you got start and stop and all these other functions. But I'm still the most impressed with the search dial. That's super heavy. It's but it's got a really good ball bearing system in it. So I don't think that will be an issue at all. But let's see what yeah, I don't know really what to say about this because it's just self-explanatory. It's source in timeline. And the white buttons are associated with the scroll wheel and the scroll wheel functions. And of course, the lights or anything do not light up until you connect it up with the software. So if you don't have the software running, don't worry about it because it will not light up. So you need to have the Bluetooth on, you need the software running, and yeah, it should connect up automatically. First time you might But the first time you're connecting it, you might need to do a search on in the Windows Bluetooth settings, and then yeah, make sure you connect it that way as well. So just in case, sometimes it's needed, sometimes it isn't. Here you go with a bit of a closer of the keyboard itself. It's got shuttle, jog, and scroll, and yeah, it's got a light. When you press it down, the light pops on, and shuttle is more like start moving the speed you want it to go. So like one time, 3 times, 5 times. Yeah, you just moved a little bit. The more you move it, the faster it goes forwards. So and then and jog. That's normally just jogging forwards. It goes frame by frame. Scroll. It's a lot faster jog, if you want to say. It's just almost like a jog, but a super fast one. And the button feels really nice and sturdy. It's almost like I think it's mechanical. It sounds like mechanical and it feels mechanical. But the wheel is still the most coolest part of this whole thing. Yeah, the quality is still, and it spins on a ball bearing. It's yeah, I don't know what to say because that's the most impressive thing with the whole thing. It's got rubber feet on it that covers the whole sides of the back, and some hard plastic. I thought it was aluminium first, but when you tap on it, you can feel the plastic. But the keys are super high quality. And the keys also has a very nice linear movement to them. And I don't know exactly where the activation point is. Can't really feel the activation point. But they're really nice. Yeah, and the wheel also has a rubberized edge on it, so you get a really good grip. So, and in addition to all the other stuff I just told you, it's that it's made mostly for the cut page. So all the buttons has its home in the cut page. You have some stuff you can use in the editing page as well. You got the scroll wheel is working there, of course, and split and ripple delete. But then you have a lot of other stuff that are specifically for the cut page. So if you don't use the cut page at all, then I would go for the bigger keyboard, the full size one, because that one has all of these functions plus all the other functionalities as well. But if you're going to buy DaVinci Resolve Studio anyway, see if you can get a bundle or hold up for a sale where you get them all in one box, like I did. And yeah, you will not regret it, because normally it costs like $3.95, and yeah, you can get it for $2.95 if you hold out. So see you guys.